Guys, in this video I want to show you how you can improve your steering wheel. I want to change this old leather because it looks just so bad. To make this even easier for myself and for you, I will show you how to take off the steering wheel and how to do it by yourself. Some safety precautions. As the car has airbag, we need to disconnect negative pole from the battery. We need to wait 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we will position the steering wheel in the center and we will unbolt the torque screw that is holding steering wheel, disconnect it and take it with ourselves in nice and warm room and do the rest with the leather on the steering. So let's disconnect the battery. Let's remove the trunk. We will use socket 10 to disconnect the negative pole. Once you do this, your radio will require code later on, so just for you to know. Let's keep it like this for next 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the state of my steering wheel. I try to clean it with everything but nothing. So underneath the steering wheel you have one hole. We need to use torques in order to get it out. Steering wheel is outside. What we're gonna do, we will change the appearance by using the kit from AliExpress. I will show you which one I choose. You can choose between few options. You can contact also this company. They can make something custom for you as well. They have option also for the smart steering wheel without F1 pedals, so that's the one without this third part. You also have option for that one. So instead to giving to some company to do this for you, I will try to do it by myself. Let's unpack this and let's see what is inside. So here is what package consists. Installation instructions on both sides. It is mentioning how you should place it, what you should do, what is wrong, and giving you some tips and tricks. You can decide what kind of stitches you want to do all by yourself. Then you got some equipment, double tape, some needle, stitches. You can decide which color you want. Once you are ordering, you can tell. Here I choose the combination of carbon fiber look and leather, which looks like this. Before installing new leather, I just want to pass with these cleaning wipes. Now, according to instruction, if you have cut like this, that should be on the front. So I believe that is going here, just to make it easier for myself. Same here, you see the cut, so it will pass something like this. It will be like this. They said you should check the fitment first. Okay, at least one part. I will go slowly on this. Okay, I got it. You should go little by little. Let me check the fitment, because here is written to check and adjust position. Should be aligned before and after. The front and rear, the edge of leather should be aligned with the original sewing line. That is this one that you have already. Then check the size. So if we squeeze, it should come together. If it's like this, it's not good. Okay, let me show you from this angle how it looks currently. So let's say I align everything. It said that I need to follow old stitches. So, and you need to make sure that is fitting nicely. So now what I have to do, I have to put some double tape to avoid any movement. Double tape should be placed on the bottom, on the sides and on the top. Basically you can use all this double tape that you got. So what I'm doing now, I measure the length 4 times the length of this. So what I did, I prepared the needle, I put the knot on the end, 4 lengths, and I will start from the edge. Now for the sewing you have plenty videos on YouTube. Here is the update. So I done the upper part. This is how it looks from this side. From forward it looks like this. You can see some of imperfections, like over here it's like bubble. So what I suggest to you, as you have this double tape, just put it in these corners as much as you can, so it will not stick out later on. Now I have to do the bottom part. So even I said that you can check on YouTube, I will told you in short what I did. Just few knots on this side and on other side. So if you're doing this area, measure it like 4 times. But I suggest you to take even more length, so it's easier for you, because you won't need to add, and you know that it's difficult to add if you have to. So what I will do first, I will pass through the other end, so it will keep this leather much better. And it is recommended to start from this side and then to go all the way. What I did, I pass through each of these. Otherwise you can do every third, every second, but if you do each one it will be much stronger. I believe some of you who are doing this for longer time will say this is not good, but I mean, I'm doing this for the first time and nothing else to say. So I will pass just like this, so from the inside, so it will keep, and I will pass one more time. I will just make like this, then I will pass through first one, and then I will look for the other side. For this side where I have first, you see it's over here, so I have to do it this way. So I will pass through. Okay, so that is the first one. Then we are going back on another side again. Anyhow, most of this part will not be seen because we will put the plastic cover over, so it will press all this. But what I noticed, that is better to pull with your hand all this leather and then to squeeze rather than squeezing, because you can just ruin this easily. And this is it, you need to go back and forth. One more thing that I want to show you, on these edges you can use the needle and pass all these old stitches, and you basically pull them and you close the gap So you use the old one to close the gap, but also you need to help with a little bit with your hand. This is not the best, but at the end it will be much better. So I will pass maybe a few more times. This is good to do when you are not far away from beginning. Okay, I will pass one more time. Just we don't have too much visible this old part. Now for the end, what I will do, I will just pass through the needle. Okay, just like this. Few turns like this, anyhow this won't be visible. And then what you can do, you can pass the needle through this 2 times, and it should be okay. Now the overview, what I done. So it looks like this. This part I tried so many times, but it seems like this kind of material is pretty hard to deal with. But so far, well, looks like this. Better than before. Let me do another part and then I will go and install this in car. And this is final product. If you choose this carbon leather combination, that's it. Let's put the steering back in the car, and I can tell you the feel is different. It smells nice, material is good quality. Maybe measurement is not 100% correct, but overall for 30 euros, what to expect? At the end, if you give to some company that is doing this car wheels, you will pay maybe few hundreds of euros. Of course, you are not paying material, you are paying for the craftsmanship, for the hands, for somebody who has more experience. But if you want to try by yourself, you can try, nothing to lose except 30 euros. You can take out whenever you want this, and you have all steering wheel. One thing that I maybe forgot to show you, and also I forgot, is to put this bolt or screw for the steering wheel. If you put the cover, you cannot put it inside. So just now you can place it back. So as I mentioned before, putting F1 pedals, you can just spray little bit of contact spray, just little bit, because it's easier to do it now than later. You can just play a little bit and it should be okay. Okay, so I am about to put the steering wheel back. So you need to make sure to connect these things for for the steering wheel, ESP cartridge. So let's start. Basically you cannot make mistake. They are different. One is going in one socket, another in another one. Just make sure that they clicked. That's it. Now you need to align these pins with these for the ESP cartridge to be in place. Push it slowly. Okay, you will hear that. New steering wheel in place. Now you need to use Torx T40, something like this, and to screw back and tighten steering wheel. So the bolt I already show you. You will approach it from the bottom. You can also turn the wheel and you just tight that bolt up. You can also put a little bit of thread seal or glue for that one. This is the video. So I'm pretty happy with the top part, but the bottom, it was quite difficult, especially this carbon. I mean, I did this for the first time. I'm happy with this side, but this side, you see, maybe I stretched too much. And also, I don't know about this. I don't know if it's like extra material, but overall it's okay.